Yes, welcome, dear students. I like you. I like the way you are supporting me, right? So we are keeping waiting the others. Yes, you be cooking channel. Yes, you're welcome, and thank you for tapping on like. Yes, remember for those who are new, don't forget to subscribe. You tap on like, comment, and share if it is necessary, right? Please write in the comment. The one who just use that stick of love, thank you very much, or stick of heart, thank you very much. Now, today's lesson, we're going to deal about asymptotes. As I told you yesterday, I told you that today's lesson it will concerning about asymptotes. We are going to deal about asymptotes. Asymptotes. We are going to see about asymptotes. Please don't move. So about asymptotes, that you're going to see different kind of lines, right? Don't miss, please. So guys, we need to see for those who are new, I welcome you, please. Yes, thanks for the one who said I done it all good. Yes, please, you are keeping waiting others. Don't move, don't go. Now you really remember I told you at 4 o'clock p.m. we should have a class, right? Please, if you're just missing, it is not necessary. Try to be on time, right? That is what I wish. Yes? So now I welcome everyone. So we should continue, right? Now, please, for those who are new, UB Cooking channel, can you tap or can you add some comment, please, in the comment box? Please, I need your comment there in the comment box. Please try to do all things. I'm looking you, please, there. Try to do. Type, please, a comment there. I need your message there, please. Try it, please. Today's lesson is about asymptotes. Right? We are going to deal with asymptotes. So we have three types of asymptotes. Asymptotes. We have three types of asymptotes in mathematics. It means these are lines. These are lines that we should have in mathematics. So before sketching a curve, you have to represent those asymptotes. Anytime you should see them, right? You can't see all asymptotes on the same graph, but only two exist. When two exist, it means other one can't exist. When one exists, you have to do for the second one. When the first one can't exist, you have to verify on the another one. Only two asymptotes on sketching, right? Yes, you're welcome, Hero. Thank you very much. But you are so late, please. Remember, I told you you have to be here on time, right? But at 4 o'clock p.m., 4 o'clock p.m., I was here. Good day, sir. Thank you very much. But I should ask you, where were you? You have rated, please. You see, you have rated. How are you? So I'm so fine. And you? Thank you very much. We were 9 minutes late. Oh, very good, very good. Of course, I see. I'm in differ timeline. I see. Thank you. Good, sir. Thank you very much. Me too. I am so good. Where are the others? Where are the others? We are going to continue, right? We are going to deal with about asymptotes. There are lines that we should plot on a curve while we are sketching a curve on a Cartesian plan, right? There's three asymptotes can be exist at the same time. Only two exist at the same time, right? It is what we are going to see. How should we calculate those asymptotes, right? Tap in the comment, please. Right? How is the sound? Yes, how is the sound? Please, I need you, please, to be with this hour. 4 o'clock. It is going to be our time. Very clear, sir. Thank you very much. If the sound is so clear, let's continue. Yes, others will come after, don't worry. Yes, but before continue, we should please try to talk about simple things that you need to ask me. Let me give you 5 minutes for asking questions. 5 minutes. 4:15 p.m. I have to continue by explaining those asymptotes. I need the questions, please. You should discuss about the questions relating, even if it is in real life or in our courses. Don't worry, you are welcome. Everyone is welcomed. Yes, yes, sir. Please teach asymptotes. Thank you very much. Others. I'm so sorry because I have a call. I have a call from someone. Yes, I'm going to continue by teaching you about asymptotes. So excuse me. So just please teach asymptotes, sir. Could you tell us more about your careful expression? I'm so sorry, please. I was dealing with short questions relating to my students. Yes, but I'm here, please. I'm here. Let's continue. Let's continue. So how is that sound? Don't you hear me, please? Let's continue. Let us go. Right? Can you continue? Can we continue, please? Yes, others welcome. Others welcome. You can. Thank you very much. So now we are just going to deal with about asymptotes. So as I told you, asymptotes, yes, are lines that should be represented or should be drawn on a curve. For example, when you have this is 2x, we have y-axis here and x-axis, right? So for example, if you have, for example, x which is equal to this number 2, but we need those are two axis, y-axis and x-axis, and you have to take an interval. So for example, here, this is 1, 2, 3. You have 1, 2, and 3. Here we have 1, 2, and 3. These are points that we are plotting on this sketch. So now we are going to plot this x, which is equal to 2. We come on this axis where we have 2. It is at this point, right? Sorry. Yes, where x is equal to 2, you have to draw a line passing through this 2. It is, this is our vertical line. It is vertical line where x is equal to 2. You see, this is also a vertical line. So back to our main objective is about asymptotes. So I was showing you how should we represent the line on those two axes. So now let's go on. I told you in asymptotes we have 3 types of asymptotes, right? The first among those 3 types we have, it is vertical. The first one, vertical asymptote. This vertical asymptote is asymptote that we should find on x-axis, on this one, right? The second one, we have horizontal asymptote. So for horizontal asymptote, it is a line that we should find on this horizontal, this line of y, right? It should pass through the point founding on y, for example, like this one. It is horizontal asymptote where, excuse me, microphone is somehow disturbing you. Where it is horizontal asymptote where y is equal to this line passing through these 3, right? It is about horizontal asymptote. The last one among those 3 types, it is oblique asymptote. Oblique asymptote also, it is another line which is different from those 2 lines. It means it should be a line which should pass in. Let me draw that line. I should clean these ones. Yes. And showing you how oblique asymptote looks like. This is, for example, asymptote where we have y is equal to ax plus c plus b. Those are 3 types of asymptotes that we are going to deal with during this session. So now we are going to start by seeing how should we find or calculate vertical asymptote. After vertical, we have to see about horizontal asymptote. Finally, we shall see about oblique asymptote. So at the end of this, everyone will be able to find those 3 types of asymptotes, right? Are we together? So how asymptote useful? Yes. So asymptotes, you really know in our daily life. Yes. So for example, so let me use this ball. You really see, we should use this ball. When we are just having this ball like this one, it means it made a vertical asymptote. You see? Yes? Please don't clean. It means this is a vertical asymptote, right? So when you do this one, this is also, it is a horizontal asymptote. The last one, when we are bending our line like this one, It is oblique asymptote. So you should use this one by measuring when we are in construction engineering. Yes, when we are in measuring the length of some your house, you should apply those asymptotes. Are the most useful in our daily life, right? So now let's continue. Let's continue. Sir, do you know how Wakanda? I don't know, sir. Understood. Thank you very much. Let's continue, please. Thank you very much. So now allow me to come to this side. Now let's start by the first type among those three asymptotes. The first one, it is vertical asymptote. Asymptote. About vertical asymptote, as you have said, yes, sir. No, as you have said, it is the line that should pass through on x-axis. Yes. For example, if we have x-axis and y-axis, right? Here we have 0. In the intersection of those two axes, we have 0. So how should we plot our vertical asymptote? It means, as I told you, vertical is a line that pass in the vertical position. It means it is a line that passes through this x-axis. This is vertical asymptote. Clear? Now for the second one, it is about horizontal asymptote. Asymptote. For horizontal asymptote also, it is another line that passes through in x-axis. So let's have those two axes. We have x-axis and here we have y-axis, right? And our horizontal asymptote, it will be a line that passes through this y-axis. It means it will pass through this y-axis. Let's have 0 here. And our line, it is horizontal asymptote. You see? Right? So now let's see about oblique asymptote. Let me clean this part. Yes? So do you have vibranium? Okay, so thank you. Now let's go. Let's go for oblique number 3. Among those 3 types, it is oblique asymptote. About oblique asymptote, it should look like, so here on vertical, it is when x is equal to something. For example, x is equal to a, but here it is y is equal to, for example, b, any number. So now for oblique, we should have, there's a 2 axes where we have 0. It is y-axis, and this is x-axis, right? So about oblique asymptote, let's cut a line passing through, which is passing through those axes, but it is oblique one. For example, we have to draw this broken line. This is a broken line where y is equal to ax plus b. Clear? This is oblique asymptote, but we used broken line or dashed line in order to demonstrate this oblique asymptote, right? Where our line is equal to this one. Now, apart from how those three types looks like, so we are going to see how should we calculate formulas that should we use in mathematics for calculating those three types of asymptotes. Yes? And thank you very much. Thank you very much. What's going on? We are pleased studying about mathematics. This is a class where we should share contents relating to mathematics. For those who are new, I'm Chocho. Thank you very much, Chocho. Don't move without subscribe. This is a class, please. Others should tell Mr. Chocho when do we start our class? Yes. What? We try to study. I told you it is a class of mathematics, right? Chocho, light. Thank you. Let's continue. Yes, sir. Do you listen to Belle English? Oh, I don't. Please speak. Thank you very much. Speaker. Thank you very much. Chocho. Now let's go to see how should we calculate these three some types of asymptotes by using calculation, by using formulas. Thank you. Chocho, sorry, I'm not math student, I'm biology student. Why can't you please help everyone relating to this course? Don't say that, please. Yes? Even me, I should attend what you are teaching in biology, right? Sir, do you know biology? I try. But I really know really know mathematics, physics, and chemistry. But mostly, I just still focusing on mathematics. Don't move without subscribe for those who are new. So now let's use calculations in mathematics. Where am I going to clean? Let me clean this apart. Yes, but I like you studying style. So I'm here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So let's continue. So calculations, how to calculate calculations. It means finding asymptotes. Asymptotes. So we are going to use different formulas for calculating these asymptotes. We are going to apply formulas. For example, yes, others please calculate. Thank you very much. We have to choose finding asymptotes. So please let's have for vertical asymptote. For example, let's have show that f of x, it is x plus 1 over x minus 1 is vertical asymptote. Right? So now here what we are going to use, yes, what we are going to use, we have a formula for calculating a vertical asymptote. The first, for vertical vertical asymptote, we have vertical asymptote. We have to use this formula, which is limit x tends to a of a given function. It will be the answer that we should get. We should get plus or minus infinity, right? That is all formula that we should use. We have it for vertical asymptote. It is v as where limit x tends to number, which is a of our given function, it will be equal to this one. We are going to substitute x by its value in our given function. The answer, it should be this one. If you see the answer is equal to this one, you have to conclude that we have a vertical asymptote. Now, for vertical, we have, let's use limit x tends to, how is it a? I'm sorry. How is a? We have given this function, which is x plus 1 over x minus 1. Right? Light, please. So, now, where a comes from, this a comes from on our denominator. We have to take our denominator and use it as to find this a. Now we take x minus 1 equal to 0. Then after x will be equal to 1. This is our a that we are going to use for calculating vertical asymptote. Then finally, we have to apply limit x tends to a is equal to 1. As I told you, of our given function, it is x plus 1 over x minus 1. Right? Then finally, we have to substitute the x by its value. In the where x is equal to this one, we have to put this this 1. Then finally, we have x is equal to 1 plus 1 over 1 minus 1. Then let's have 2 over 0. Any number over 0 is equal to infinity. It means when that number is positive, you should have minus infinity. When that number is negative, we should have minus infinity. When that number is positive, we should have plus infinity. So 2 over 0 is equal to plus infinity. It means that, you see, solution is equal to plus infinity. Is what you have here. Then finally, we have our vertical asymptote where x is equal to 1. Clear? We have vertical asymptote where x is equal to 1. It means there we have vertical asymptote. This is the formula that we should use when we are calculating asymptote, right? Now let's continue for the next one. Let's continue for the next one, which is oblique asymptote. Yes? So are you from Tennessee? Because you are the only 10 I see. Tennessee. I don't understand what you mean, please. Tennessee. Because you are the only 10 I see. Please explain clearly the word Tennessee. Now, another one. Are you from Tennessee? Because you are the only 10 I see. No, I am the one from Rwanda. Let's continue, please. Let's continue for, I think about vertical asymptote, very understandable, right? So let's move on horizontal asymptote. Let's move on horizontal asymptote. Let's move on horizontal asymptote. It is horizontal. Also about horizontal asymptote, we are going to apply formula before everything. We have to use this formula for horizontal asymptote. We have to use limit x tends to plus or minus infinity of our given function. Finally, answer it will be a number. Yes, we are going to substitute limit x tend to plus or minus of infinity of our given function. The answer that you will get, it will be a number. Then finally, you have to conclude that this is horizontal asymptote. Right? That is what we are going to do. Let's have this example. Yes, calculate or show that fx is horizontal asymptotes if, let's use that function please, this one, f of x is equal to x plus 1 over x minus 1, right? We are going to use this function and to verify or to check whether this function is it vertical asymptote. Now let's move for the next part. Yes. Now we are going to apply this formula for horizontal asymptote. We have limit x tends to plus or minus infinity of our given function, which is, we should get a number. It is a number b. Then after, let's have limit x tends to plus or minus infinity of our given function. We have this function. It is x plus 1 over x minus 1. Then finally, when we are reaching there, what should we do? So I memorized the first 3 digits of P. If you gave me the 7 digits of your phone number, I could memorize them too. Sure. My phone, please, it is 07, right, please, 07 827 6626, right? It is that one. We have here 5. That is my phone number. So, below, God, pick up lines. Thank you. Where is Denji? Where is Denji? I missed him, please. Where is he? Where is he? Let's continue. Let's continue. Have you seen my number? Even I should give you my email after this course. So now, about this, when in limits, That is what I'm going to prepare for you. When in limits, when we are having numbers that tends to this infinite, it means that we are going to see that function, the function that we have, and we really take a highest fact, a highest power, the variable that has highest power. It means here you see where we have highest power, it is this one. Then finally we really have limit x tends to plus or minus infinity of x over x. Then after we should have x over x and simplify. You have to take this one because our x tends to plus or minus infinity. We have to take where we have highest power. At our highest power, it is x, it is this one. Then remain with 1, right? Finally, horizontal asymptote, it is on y, happening on y, which is equal to 1, right? So that was on horizontal asymptote. Yes. Now we are going to move on the last one, which is oblique asymptote. Yes, where is Denji? Thank you very much. Sir, I memorized the first 30 digit of P. If you gave me the... Yes, you're welcome, you're welcome. Now let's continue. Yes, let me come to this part. So now let's use this. Another example, should you check whether we have horizontal asymptote? If let's have this function, it is x squared plus 1 over 2x, for example, plus 3. We are going to check, let me put this one. We are going to check, is it this function a horizontal, that function has a horizontal asymptote? Let's check that, please. Where y is equal, you have to do it personally because you are ended to study about this one. What is our horizontal asymptote here on this equation? According to what have we seen? Horizontal asymptote. How is y? Tell me, how is y here? I'm asking you, how is y here on this equation? We have given this one. We are going to check whether we have horizontal asymptote, right? So now I gave you this equation and I asked you, how is horizontal asymptote? What is y which is horizontal asymptote according to this equation? Tell me please in comment. Write in the comment please. What is y according to what have we done? No one? I need your answer. You have to answer this question. How is y? Remember, we are focusing on horizontal asymptote. Also, I gave you formula that should we apply on horizontal asymptote. So, this equation, you see, we have f of x is equal to x squared plus 1 over 2x squared plus 3. Now, what is y? Because y implies that we are on horizontal asymptote. What is y? Sir, do you have name or can I call you mine instead? I have name. I have name. I'm called Waisenze Benjamin. Waisenze Benjamin. It is my name, but my YouTube channel, you really know. I can't explain it more, but you really know. That is my name, Waisenze Benjamin. Please, Imao, you have to express it, please, in English. So now, what is the value of this word? That will implies that we are on horizontal asymptote. What is the value of y? Please write in the comment. The value of y, is it equal to 3? I'm asking you. Is it equal to 3? Tell me. According to this formula, that showing how to calculate a horizontal asymptote, what is the value of y? Holy lazy, I don't know. Yeah. The one, Likita, thank you very much. You're welcome. Is it 3? Sure. Yes, you are tried. Don't worry. Other ones. Type in the comment, please. What is the value of y? After your answer, you have to do the question and you see the value that you should get. What is the value of y? We are on oblique asymptote. It is the formula that you have here. You have to apply that formula. It is this one. Produce that formula. What is the value of y? Can now do it, please, together? Can we do it together? In the comment. Yes? Can we do it together? In the comment, please. Please tap in the comment. Yes or not? I'm asking you. Could we continue, please, to solve this equation together? I need your response, your answer. So now let us do it together. Let's apply our formula which we should use on vertical asymptote. On vertical asymptote, as I told you, this y it should be equal to b. How b is, we have to use, let's use double equal, don't worry, limit x tends to plus or minus infinity of our given function. Yes, it is this one. When we are using this limit at our given function, and finally we have to get a number. That number will be equal to this one. It means we are reaching at vertical asymptote. Clear? Now, so let's use, we have limit x tends to plus or minus infinity of our given function. Our given function, we have this one. It is x squared plus 1 over 2, x squared plus 3. We have x squared plus 1 over 2, x squared plus 3. Right? I told you, when you have given this kind of a function, and where this limit where x is tends to plus or minus infinity, we have to take where we have highest power. Where we have highest power here, it is limit x tends to plus or minus infinity of our function. Where we have highest power, we have to take this one. It is x squared over 2x squared. Clear? Then finally, let me use this part, this one. Finally, we should have, it is x squared over 2x squared. Then we have to simplify this and this one. Here above, we remain with 1. Then still we have 1 over 2. Finally, our vertical asymptote, sorry, it is our horizontal, thank you very much, it is horizontal asymptote. It is when y is equal to 1 over 2. This is final answer. Satisfied? Satisfied? You see that I told you, you should take this one only and simplify. It would be x squared over 2x squared. Then simplify, it is 1 times x squared over 2 times x squared, and simplify, remain with the 1 over 2. Similar as what you have seen at this point. Thank you very much. The vertical asymptote, it is, so the horizontal asymptote, it is where y is equal to 1 over 2. Now, let's move for the next, or for the last type, which is horizontal asymptote. About horizontal asymptote. How is the horizontal asymptote? How is horizontal asymptotes? Please, where have you gone? About oblique asymptotes. Oblique. About oblique asymptotes, let's see, we have formulas also. Let's have oblique, we have y, which is ax plus b. So now here on oblique asymptotes, we are going to find this value a and b, right? We're going to find a and b. How? About a, it will be limit x tends to plus or minus infinity of our given function over x, right? It is how to find this value a, where will it be in our oblique formula, right? So now how to find b? It is limit x tends to plus or minus infinity of our given function minus ax. Yes, we take that a that you have seen here and times x. Then this is how should we find a and b, where will be inserted in our oblique asymptote, right? Now let's have an example. Let's have an example. Please, I'm missing you, please. Where have you been, please? Try to appear. Try to write, please. So let's have f of x, which is, please write me a comment, please. In the comment, write there, please. X squared minus x minus 2 over x plus 2. This is an example that we are going to use for finding oblique asymptote. This is general formula of oblique asymptote, and we are going to use this A and B. After finding A and B, we have to insert them in our formula. Those letters will be a number. Then after, you have to insert them in our formula where it will form an oblique asymptote. Now this is an example. Calculate, it should show, right? Yes? Find here oblique asymptote. Now use this formula, and after finding A and B, you have to insert these letters in our equation. Yes? Use this function and find whether it is oblique asymptote. You have to do it personally. Right? So are you Wi-Fi? Because I feel a connection, of course. Of course. I am on it, please. But I have my own. I have my own connection. Others, please. You have to do this equation. Use this formula for finding this asymptote. Clear? So now let me help you to find that A. Let us use this formula here. A is limit x tends to plus or minus infinity, right, over given function f of x over x, right? Now it will be a limit x tends to plus or minus infinity. F of x is equal to this function. What function you have here? It is x squared minus x minus 2 over x plus 2. This is our function over this x. This is our function, it is this one. X squared minus x minus 2 over x plus 2 over this x. Clear? Clear? Below now, you to all good. Thank you. So let's find age. It will be a limit x tends to plus or minus infinity of, right? This x will come to multiply to this one, right? We will have x squared minus x minus 2 over x plus 2 times this x. Are we together there? Now, finally, yes, finally A will be, it is limit x tends to plus or minus infinity of x squared minus x minus 2 over, we have to multiply this x to this factor form by removing this bracket, right? We remain with this x come to multiply to this and to this one. It is x squared plus 2x, right? So now here, when we are reaching here, if we have x tends to plus or minus infinity, it means that we are going to take highest power. Where we have highest power, we have to take those powers, right? I repeat again, we shall see them in limit. So when we have x tends to plus or minus this one, really, we should take where we have the highest power. At the highest power here, we have x squared over this x squared. Then finally, x will be a limit x tends to plus or minus infinity of x squared over x squared. Right? So now a will be x squared over x squared. You have to drop this one and write the remaining ones. Then we simplify. Finally, a will be equal to 1. You see? You see? That is a which is equal to 1. Now let's go to find the value of b. Yes, for those who are new. Yeah, still here. Thank you very much. Super everyone. You are welcome. So now let's find b. How is b? Thank you very much for those who still here. For b, it is limit x tends to plus or minus infinity of our given function. This is x plus 2. Our given function is f of x minus ax, right? So now our b will be limit x tends to plus or minus infinity of our given function. Of given function is this one. This is our given function where we have x squared minus x minus 2 over x plus 2 minus ax. The value of a is equal to 1, right? Are we together? It is minus ax. The value of a is equal to 1. It is 1x, right? Oh, from Andaman Art. Thank you, bro. Chiri in the Iceland. So now the next is our b will be limit x tends to plus or minus infinity of our function. Here we have to find the common denominator. This and this one remain with x plus 2, right? X plus 2 over x plus 2 will remain with this 1 times this one. We take this over this one, remain with 1, and times to this. Then we have x squared minus x minus 2, right? Times 1. And the x plus 2 over 1 will remain with x plus 2 times x. It is minus x times x plus 2. Clear? Now let's move for the next part. Let's come here. Then the value of b, it will be, right? It will be, are we together, please? Arigato, thank you very much, bro. Yeah, thank you, yeah, from Andam. So, it is the value of b, which is limit x tends to plus or minus infinity of, here we multiply, we have x squared minus x minus 2, then we have minus this, x will come to multiply to this x and continue to this 2. Finally, we have minus x times x will be equal to x squared minus times plus will be minus, then x times 2 will be minus 2x, right? Over this denominator, it is x plus 2. Yes? Now our letter b, it will be limit x tends to plus or minus infinity of, here you see, this similar to this one. Here we have positive, here we have negative. You have to cancel them or to remove them, right? Then we remain with, here we have minus x and minus 2. We have it right, minus x minus 2x and minus 2 over x plus 2. Are we together? Are we together, please? Aligosa, why are we studying x and y when we can study you and I? Don't worry, please. This are the similar. Even if we are just using a and b, even if we are just using h and c, their behaviors like x and y. So now let's have b. Our b will be limit x tends to plus or minus infinity of, here we have minus remain with minus 3x minus 2 over x plus 2. So now at this stage, because we have our limit x tends to plus or minus infinity, it means that we are going to take where we have highest power. Alright? Where we have highest power. Where we have highest power, it is our b, which is limit x tends to plus or minus infinity of minus 3x. Our highest power, it is this part. Yes? 3x over x. Finally, we have to simplify where we have the same variable, this variable and this one. Then the value of b, b, it will be minus 3x over x. Then simplify this. We remain with b will be equal to minus 3. This is b. But remember, a, it was it is 1. Then we are going to substitute these values in our oblique asymptote. The equation of oblique asymptote, it is y, which is ax plus b. Right? We really see, we have seen h and this b, where b is equal to minus 3 and a is equal to 1. Then our equation of line it will be a is equal to 1x plus b is equal to minus 3. Right? Finally, our oblique asymptote, it is x minus 3. Then this is oblique asymptote where y is equal to x minus 3. This is our final equation of how should we calculate our oblique asymptotes. You really see, we have seen 3 types of asymptotes, right? Now we ended up those are 3 types of asymptotes. So here I should conclude that everyone is able to find these 3 types of asymptotes, right? Isn't it? But I have missed some persons. I don't know, they are still preparing. I don't know, please. I have missed them. Right? Please try to appear. So it was about how to find three types of asymptotes. So now it's a time for discussing. Let's discuss, please. We have to discuss. For those who need to ask me questions, you have to ask me. So before ending this course, we have to make an appointment. When should we start another course tomorrow? Tomorrow I have to prepare contents concerning two limits. We will see about limits. So I need you, please, to be here on 5. I see. Is it a good hour or PM? You have to tell me. Or 4 o'clock PM. Please, you should tell me which one is suitable, because I have just missed some other ones. Sir, not PM, not 4 PM tomorrow. Yes, you have to specify your hour. Tell me hour that you need. Can we do it 5 PM? Sir, Sunday, no holiday. Let's take it as a holiday. Yeah, of course. Let's do Monday, Tuesday, Monday up to Saturday. We have to do a lessons, right? We have a class from Monday up to Saturday. But Sunday, we should take a holiday. Yes? Yes, sir. So, no class tomorrow, of course. Let's take Sunday as a holiday. Yes? No class tomorrow. You have to take a break. Tomorrow you have to take a break. Yes? And preparing what should we do in Uru next Monday up to Saturday. Right? To me, tomorrow we should take a break. Do you need a class tomorrow? But another idea, sir, so no class tomorrow. Yes. Do you need a class tomorrow, please? Hello, sir. You have Denji Kun, you have missed. You see, you have so missed. We have seen many things, but you have to look this video and see what have we seen. We were dealing about asymptotes. That was main objective of our lesson. It was about asymptotes. We have done it, please. Sir, this is not for my exam, sir. Good? It's okay. Yes, you are so. Thank you very much. If you are so, yes, then you need the class. You need the class tomorrow. But it is, I need your ideas, please. You have to tell me. But me, I take it as a break. But if you need a class, because I just supposed that I should prepare contents concerning two limits. Yes? The one who is late, that one, Denji-kun, we were discussing about asymptotes. It was the main objective of our content today, right? So, I am just going to prepare for you courses concerning 2 limits, right? That is what I'm going to prepare for you. So now we are still supposing, could we have a class tomorrow? Or we should have a class from Monday up to Saturday. I need your ideas, please. But me no matter. But you, can't you please take a break or a rest? You have to take a rest and prepare things concerning to the next Monday up to Saturday. Please tap in the comment, please. Tell us, please. Tell us, sir, tomorrow break. Thank you very much. No class. Thank you very much. Yes, on Sunday we should take a class. So we should take a break. It is better. Yes, tomorrow no class. Thank you very much. How is Denji Kun? Your idea, please. Your idea. We should have a class on Monday, from on Monday up to Saturday. Yes, but if you see, it is better that on Sunday we have a class. You have to inform me on Saturday, like today, and you should have to have a class. But tomorrow let's take a break. No need a class, sir. Thank you very much. But are you going to revise what have we done, please, about asymptote? I'm asking Denji Kuni, are you ready to revise what have you done about asymptotes? Sure, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks, sir. Today's session over. Of course, we should end up, please. Let's please over at the that 5:30. Let's end up, please, at that hour. Yes, 5:30. Yes, sir. Today's session, of course, it is over. Please, can I give you an example? Sorry, a question that you are going to do. Jesus answer, thank you very much. Please remember to share these videos to your colleagues, yeah? Linky leather, you're welcome. Just answer, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes. For those who are new, tap please on like. Tap on like. For those who are new, remember to tap on like. Remember to tap on like, please. Yes. Please, I like the way you are supporting me. You are most important in front of me, right? You are my good student. It is the class where we share different things, but I like the way you are supporting me. Much respect, much respect. I repeat again, much respect, right? How is it there? How is then your country? Yes, the one who tapped on like, thank you very much. Thank you very much. You see, if you try to come on time like that hour, you see, it means that it is the time that everyone should see what we are studying, right? Morning, people. Morning to you, sir. The body files. Files, please. Are you new here? Yesterday you were here, please. I remember you. Please don't forget to tap on like, even on subscribe. If you are new, tap on like. Tap on like. Morning, sir. Morning, morning. Thank you. Thank you for being a teacher, sir. Thank you very much. Please let me repeat once again. I said that I respect you more and more. I respect you more and more. Please don't miss, please, in my class. Don't miss in my class. Try to share these videos, right? Try to share these videos. I like the way you are supporting me, right? So excuse me a bit, please. So excuse me, I was dealing with my workmate. So thank you for being a teacher, sir. Thank you. Morning, people. So you're welcome, please. Time is crashing. We remain with 7 minutes for ending our session. We remain with 7 minutes, please. Right? Please, don't, for those who are new, don't move without subscribe, without tapping on like. I was telling my colleagues how you are just supporting me. It is most helpful to me, right? Bye, sir. I have to go. Oh, so yeah. Let me please tell you, for those who need to go, I give a time, please, to go. Yeah. Bye, sir. Thank you, Tao. Thank you. Thank you. Goodbye. Bye. Goodbye. Those who really know Kinyarwanda, muramuke. Why can't you say muramuke? Dinji kuni. Dinji kuni. Denji kuni muramuke. Why can't you say muramuke? Goodbye. Muram. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I like you. I like the way you are using Kinyarwanda. The one who is I Rikita Muramuche. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Murakoze. We remain with some minutes, please. Thank you very much. For those who don't understand Kinyarwanda, muramuke. See you next. Goodbye. Right? Yes, thank you very much. The one who is giving me a heart. Thank you. Thank you. Teacher, we like the way you are supporting us. Keep doing. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes. Other one, we remain with 3 minutes. That we should end up our session. So session should be over. So, but on Monday we have a class. So remember, I'm going to give you announcements. Announcement. On Monday we have a class from Monday up to Saturday. On Monday we should start at this hour, isn't it? On Monday we have to start our class on 5 o'clock p.m. Yes, but on Saturday we have to start our class at 4 o'clock p.m. Right? But on Monday up to Friday, our class will be started on 5 o'clock p.m. Clear? Thank you very much. So I'm coming. So we remain with some seconds. So now let's end up. Yes, the one who is hello brother. What is asymptotes? So asymptotes. Where were you, please? Where were you? You come so late. We are just ending at the time. Our session is over because we have prepared a session in 1 hour and 30 minutes, right? So for those who come late, please let's tell them please to be here on time. Tomorrow we have a break. Yes, we will not do a session, but from Monday up to Friday, class will be started on 5 o'clock p.m. But on Saturday, the session will be started on 4 o'clock p.m. So I have to end up by here for this content. Please let's meet on Monday at that hour, 5 o'clock p.m. The one from Rwanda, step up. He is the one from Rwanda. You are welcome. The one from my country. How are you doing? How are you doing, please? How are you doing, dear friend from Rwanda? It's fine, thank you very much. In which you have to localize the place where you live. I'm back again, please. Those who are back again, please, you are welcomed. Yes? I was giving you some announcements relating to how next tomorrow on Monday, class will be. Or Denji, the one you are welcome. Are you come again, please? The session is going to be over, please. The one from Rwanda. Please, Denji Kun, you have to discuss about that person who said that he lives in Rwanda. Discuss with him. Those who are new, remember to tap on like and subscribe. Tap on like. The one from Rwanda, tap on like. And remember to subscribe. Yes? Yes, thank you. I like this, sir. Thank you. You are a super one, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please, let's end our session. Yes? We have to end up our session. You are a super one, sir. Thank you very much. Now, let's meet on Monday. Let's meet on Monday. So, Super Jesus, thank you. Super Jesus, thank you. The way of we are trying. Please, now this is a session is over. Let me say, have a nice night for those who are going to sleep, and have a nice morning for those who are in early morning. Yes. So also you have to enjoy with or enjoy your dinner, yes, or your supper light now. Please, let's meet. Sir, it is 9 p.m. here. You are in India, right? You are in India. Yes, but here in Rwanda we are 5 and 35 minutes. Yes, sir, we are. But here in Rwanda, we are at, this is 5, it is 5 hour and 35 p.m. It is here in Rwanda. How is the weather there, sir? Yeah, there is a sun. There is a sun here in our country. Do you have rain there in your country? Do you have a rain there in our country? In your country? No, sir. Thank you. But you are reaching in night time. A little rain in the south, sir. Yeah. Weather is great. Where I live in Bengaluru. You are the one from Bengaluru. Thank you very much. Sir, I love eating chalk. Sure. Sure. Do you love eating chalk? Oh, thank you very much. You see, even in me, when I am just teaching here on the chalkboard, it means I am just eating some dust from a chalk, right? Victorian, are you near at this group? Tap please on like. Tap on like, please. Tap on like for those who are near at this group. Sir, do you like movies? Of course. Of course, I like them. But most most time I like to look movies from India. Yes? I like actress or actors from India. So what's your favorite movies? My favorite English movies, of course. But you really know when they are Indians try to, which movie from India? You know the one which is Krishna. Krishna. The one which is the one called Tiger Shroff. Tiger Shroff. These are persons who try to play a good movies. I like the movie from India, please. Most movies that I always watch are the ones from India. Tiger Shroff, Krishna, right? The another one, Ajay Kumar, right? And so forth. There are so many actors from their India. Yes? Sir, who is your favorite actor? The one which is Tiger Shroff. Sir, do you like Hrithik Roshan? Of course, I like him. Roshan. Oh, yeah, oh, of course. Sir, have you watched the Three Idiots? Of course, I watched it, please. In Kinyarwanda ni ibigoryi bitatu. I watched it, that movie, please. Three Idiots. Even I have it, please, in my computer. Sir, you know more about Indian cinema than Miss. Of course, I really know more films from there India. I like the way they are playing movies, please. Sir, who is your favorite actress? Oh, dear friend, actress, the one who play which movie in Priya, the one called Priya, Priya Chopra. She's called Priya. Sir, you know more about Indian cinema than me, sir. Of course, so is your favorite actress. My favorite actress is called Priyanka Chopra. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Priyanka Chopra. Thank you very much. She used to play or to act in a good condition when she's playing those movies, right? Yeah, that is my favorite one. Thank you very much. Right? Sir, do you like Aishwa? Aishwarya Rai? I don't know, please. I don't know that thing, please. Sir, you look like Fritik Roshan. Sure, sure. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, dear. Of course, yeah. Of course. Yeah, sir has better looks than three. Sir has better looks. Yes, of course. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I beat sir. I beat sir has better physique too. Thank you very much. Even me, please. Sir, do you work out? I try anytime. Yes, she mocked it. Agreed. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes, sir. You should start acting. Sorry, in which acting, please? Yes, sir. Is Emuga. I don't know. I don't know. I don't what you're just using. Moga. What does it mean? So, please. Yes, Moga means oh, handsome. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please, I need you please to end up this. Yes, we have discussed the many different things. So let me tell you something. You just made my day, Urusa. Thank you very much. Another things that I should ask you. Tomorrow we don't have a class. Yes. So a favor that I need from you. So at Even we should discuss, we should talk in different things at 6 o'clock p.m. or 5:30 p.m. Can we talk about like how we are doing it right now? You have to tell me, please. If you are able, let's do it, please, tomorrow. Right? If you are able, we have to do it tomorrow. Tell me. You just made my day, sir. Thank you very much. Sir, please, no class tomorrow. Can we discuss like how we are doing? So let's have a class on the Monday. Don't worry. I agree with you. I agree with you. Sir or no, Monday. Thank you very much. Man, thank you. I see. Don't worry. Now, can we end up the session? And can we end up the discussion? I see you need to discuss different things, but we are going to end up, please. Tell me, please. Yes, let's end up. Sir, what does bomba clat mean? Bomb. Sir, you teach better than Arikash Pandey. Sure. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So remember, you have said that on Monday we will start our course at 5 o'clock p.m. Right? We will start our course at 5 o'clock p.m. It is the starting time from Monday up to Saturday, up to Friday. But on Saturday we have to start our class at 4 o'clock p.m. Clear? Sir, teach me how to get to 10K trophies in Clash Royale, sir. Don't worry, I will do it, please, don't worry. Do you need to get it, please? So we are going to end up, please, the session. Please speed. I need this. Sir, do you watch Italian brain rot? No, I don't. I can't please lie you. I don't. Tangu Sahur. Is it a movie? My desk is kind homeless. My deck is kind homeless. For those who are new, remember to subscribe. Tap on like. Pomba Radio Crocodile. Baleriana Chapusini. Sure, is it? Sure. Those who are new, remember to subscribe, tap on like and share. So now please let us end our course. So thank you for your participation. Thank you for your good discussions you did each by one. Yes, because everyone has participated in different ways. So I just say thank you very much. Now let's meet on Monday at 5 o'clock p.m. Yes, on Monday at 5 o'clock p.m. So I thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So now see you. Bye. Bye for everyone. Thank you very yes. See you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Bye, sir. Thank you very much. The remaining one. Thank you. Thank you. Muhammadi. Tap on subscribe, please, if you are new. Bye, sir. Bye for you. Thank you. Bye, bye. Bye, bye, sweetie. Thank you very much.